What is the best type of meditation? 1. Loving-kindness meditation. Loving-kindness meditation is also known as metta meditation. Its goal is to cultivate an attitude of love and kindness toward everything, even a person's enemies and sources of stress. While breathing deeply, practitioners open their minds to receiving loving-kindness. They then send messages of loving-kindness to the world, to specific people, or to their loved ones. In most forms of this meditation, the key is to repeat the message many times, until the practitioner feels an attitude of the loving-kindness. Loving-kindness meditation is designed to promote feelings of compassion and, both for others and oneself. 2. Body scan or progressive relaxation. Progressive relaxation is meditation that encourages people to scan their bodies for areas of tension. The goal is to notice tension and to allow it to release. Progressive relaxation can help to promote generalized feelings of calmness and relaxation. It may also help with chronic pain. Because it slowly and steadily relaxes the body, some people use this form of meditation to help them sleep. 3. Mindfulness meditation. Mindfulness is a form of meditation that urges practitioners to remain aware and present in the moment. Mindfulness meditation is something people can do almost anywhere. While waiting in line at the grocery store, for example, a person might calmly notice their surroundings, including the sights, sounds, and smells they experience. A form of mindfulness is involved in most kinds of meditation. Breath awareness encourages practitioners to be aware of their breathing, while progressive relaxation draws attention to areas of tension in the body. 4. Kundalini Yoga. Similarly to other forms of yoga, Kundalini Yoga can improve physical strength and reduce pain. Kundalini Yoga is a physically active form of meditation that blends movements with deep breathing and mantras. 6. Zen meditation. 5. Zen meditation. Zen meditation, sometimes called Zazen, is a form of meditation that can be part of Buddhist practice. Many Zen practitioners study under a teacher because this kind of meditation involves specific steps and postures. This form of meditation is similar to mindfulness meditation. Find a comfortable position, focus on breathing, and mindfully observe one's thoughts without judgment. Thank you for watching 10 Minutes Daily. And don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons if you want more videos like this one. Bye!